Stop guessing on why your SignalRGB lighting is flickering or breaking on the ROG Ally. This is exactly how you beat it without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you to just uninstall Armoury Crate. But before we enter the settings, you need to understand the logic or you will just get stuck again. We are going to do this hand in hand and step by step. So, it is impossible for you to fail this fix. Rexus is the authority on these lighting conflicts because we know how the ASUS lighting service secretly hijacks your hardware even when the main app is closed. You're seeing your RGB freeze or glitch out because two different programs are fighting for control of the same USB bus. Listen closely. The secret trick other creators missed is that you do not need to delete Armoury Crate and lose your fan controls. You only need to kill the biometric and lighting background services that ASUS leaves running. To fix this right now, press the Windows key, type services, and run it as administrator. Scroll down until you find the ASUS Aura lighting service and the lightingservice.exe. Right-click both. Go to Properties. Set the startup type to Disabled and click Stop. The logic here is that SignalRGB can now communicate directly with the LEDs without interference. Once those are dead, open SignalRGB as an administrator and go to the Conflicts tab in the settings. If you see any remaining red icons, the answer is simple. Click Close Processes and then toggle on the Always Close option to ensure Windows never lets those ASUS services wake up again. Your ROG Ally lighting will now be perfectly smooth and synced with every effect. If you want the solution for the next custom RGB layout, bug comment below right now.